everybody, this is Brian back with Filecoin. Doing an update here today on this coin. We're going to look at these charts in a second. I got a couple of pretty good articles to show you here, and then we are going to dig in here and see what is going on here. Okay, you can see a range here that we've been in. I'm going to show you some things that should get you excited and should get you pumped up here. I totally believe we are in a rally point for this market, and we'll get back to that here. Okay, first off, I have a article here from AMB Crypto. Filecoin's consolidation persists. Here are the key levels to look out for. This is from AMB Crypto. They write a lot of crypto stuff, but it says Filecoin has been under price consolidation since March 20th, oscillating between $5.34.5 and $5.93. Similarly, Bitcoin traded within the 26,800 to the 28,800 range. If Bitcoin's sideways structure persists, Filecoin's price consolidation could extend. However, File could take a cue from Bitcoin if it inflicts a patterned breakout. And that's what I always touch on. That's why I include Bitcoin a lot in my videos, because if Bitcoin can break that 29,000 level, it's going to tear this market. This market, I truly believe, is going to rip. I really do. It says here at the time of writing, the RSI fluctuated below the 50 mark since the 20th of March, showing limited buying pressure. Similarly, the accumulation distribution indicator fluctuated in the same period, indicating equal buying and selling pressure that set File into a sideways structure. Alright, I'm not going to read the whole thing and bore you guys, but if you want to go there, AMB Crypto writes a lot of fantastic stuff. The whole article's there. They just put that out, I believe it was today, but alright, another thing I'm going to show you guys real quick. This is from Filecoin's Twitter page. If you just want to check this out for once, it's only about 30 seconds. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? That they tweeted that out. Filecoin Virtual Machine unlocks the development of apps, markets, and organizations that will soon match the scale of centralized cloud services from Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. Access $1 trillion data economy with Filecoin, and join us in creating a decentralized, open, and equitable web. That's straight from Filecoin's Twitter page. Thought I'd show you that. I thought that was pretty neat. But here's your top 100 today. Yeah, it turned out not to be too bad of a day there. I cover Caspa. It looks like it's finishing up its correction there. Did a 5 waves down, but anyway, yeah, pretty much a sideways thing here. We need Bitcoin to break that 29,000. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index, the market cap is, it's up a slight 0.62%. Volume's down almost 12% for 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is still dropping. It's down another 0.25%. And market sentiment, it's in a 62. It's still in the greed there. And here's your top gainers and top losers from CoinMarketCap. You can see on the right, there's no big numbers that are pulling back there. Of course, Dogecoin, after it ripped like it did, holy cow, that thing really took off there. But yeah, you can see, I think this is the top 25. So yeah, no real big numbers there. Now let's get over to that chart, guys. I want to show you guys here. Alright, let's put our support and resistances back on here. Alright, this is, you can see this thing coiling up. I mean, it is it's gearing up for something here. Okay, like they said, it's been consolidating. We have that range right here. We've had it worked out. $5.82 to the $5.41.5 range, roughly 542.9. It's been just bouncing around in there. Okay, let's put this on the daily and get this a little bit bigger view here of what's going on here. Alright, of course we had that breakout of that wedge. We're still waiting for that move up here. Now that consolidation that they were talking about, you can clearly see it there. I mean, we have done nothing but gone sideways in here for days now, just waiting for something to happen here. Now if we put this RSI on the bottom, I want to load that up. Let's see here. I've been having trouble with my Wi-Fi today. We've been having really terrible storms here today. Anyway, let's move on from that. What I want to show you guys is I totally believe this is nothing but this one move here is nothing but a one wave of a 5-wave up that I'm sticking to. Okay, we got, whoops, there it came back. I apologize, but this would be one. We're working on that 3-wave up here. That would be our longest wave. 3, 4, and wherever these end up going. Okay, but we would have 5 inside of here also. Okay, this can end up being a little shorter. I might have over exaggerated this a little bit, but you can see what I'm saying here, and I totally believe that's what's playing out here. We're just in a consolidation zone right now until that Bitcoin breaks above that 29,000. I want to show you that because it ended up doing an ABC correction up here that not pat myself on the back at all. Please don't take it like that. I'm not that type of person, but it did an ABC up here, A, B, C, and it ended up coming. I had the price marked here. It ended up coming to here. I thought, oh boy, I missed that, but it ended up wicking down there and finishing up. So it has finished up its correction. All right, it made a run this morning up there and got rejected again. It got rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times now on the 4-hour chart, and we're just turning green again on this 4-hour. Bitcoin is back up 0.35% as I make this video. You know, it was below 28,000, so it's making another run up there. The Dow Jones today, yeah, it's looking alright. If we put this thing on the weekly, and you know we're correlated with the stock market, of course. I mean, that's just how it goes, unfortunately, but you can see this thing is making another run back up itself. And if we put these support and resistance lines on there, the Dow Jones is coming to a real pivotal point here. You know, it's forming a wedge here, and it's either going to break out or it's going to break down, and we're going to head towards a recession. Okay, right now it's going up to retest that resistance again, and of course Bitcoin follows these markets. You know, we had resistance there, 2, 3, and we're running up to give it another shot here. So I keep an eye on them markets every single day, and that dollar index, of course, it looks like it might make another run back up here, but this is the dollar on the weekly. You can see it ended up doing what looks like is going to be 5 waves down also, okay, which is super important because the RSIs are resetting on that thing, you know, ever since it ended up. Let me show you here real quick. I'll just point this out real quick. We had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops, I apologize here. Oops, I totally messed that up. I apologize. This is what I'm looking for here. Caspa. If you watched the Caspa video I did, this thing just actually just hit that price target I had for today with this 5 legs down. But I totally believe this is doing a 5-leg down. It's going to break this support and come down here somewhere. I really do. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on that dollar like I always do, but I believe that right there is the 4th wave pullback, and then we're going to have a 5th wave come down here somewhere. So I hope not, honestly. I mean, it's going to make crypto run, but it's going to be bad for everything. You know, gas is going to cost more, crypto is going to cost more, bread, milk, everything. But we're going to keep an eye on this, guys, and as soon as Bitcoin makes a move, you know, we will have some action. I guarantee that. So as soon as we can break out of this range, keep an eye on that. You know, we get above about that 580, about 584 level, you know, we're moving up. That would get us a new high up here, and we want to definitely hold that what is it, 542.8 area. We don't want to lose that as support. That has been very good support ever since about March 23rd, March 24th. We've been ranging in here, so kind of hard to make videos when we're just ranging. I'm waiting for this move to happen, and you know, bite my nails every day trying to hope something happens here positively and we can get a run here so I can do a really good video for you guys. So thank you so much, guys. I appreciate your time more than you know. Thank you so very much for watching my videos. Please hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you soon.